Hey, welcome back here at Tools for Guys. My name's Jason. Thank you for joining me today. By the way, out of the 4 guys, I am the oldest brother. I've got 2 younger brothers and my dad, who is the anchor in Tools for Guys, but I am the least do-it-yourselfer, right? So
he drags us down.
But so, that being said, I want to talk to you today about this Husky rolling tool bag, or rolling tote as well. This is the 14-inch. Look, here's what I love about it. First of all, this, man, you can carry a lot of stuff in here, and I've got a whole bunch of other things as well. But the big thing is that for the price, it's right at about $59. Now, this is a bonus set. This is a 12-inch tool bag. This doesn't have any rollers on it. This usually, the bonus feature only usually comes out around Black Friday, maybe Christmas, the holidays. Normally, you can still get this at Home Depot for about 59 bucks. Now, I will say this, is that I've done some reviews and research. There isn't another bag out there at this size that you can get for 59. I'm talking Lowe's, Walmart, Amazon as well, that I've looked at. And Home Depot had over 300 reviews on it, and it gave it the customer reviews gave it a 4.6 rating. So it's really solid. I've had this for about a year and a half now. It's got 13 different pouches, compartments, right, that you can put tools in. It's fantastic. It's got a telescoping handle, right, as well. It's made with water-resistant material, so that when you zip this up, it really does protect anything that you're carrying inside, whether it be tools or other materials as well. And it can hold up to 80 pounds, just this bag alone. So anyways, I'm a big fan of it. I like it because I can put my tools in there, get up and go, and I'm gone. So thanks again for joining us here. Hey, if you found value in our video today, please hit the like button below. Please give us a comment and subscribe as well to our channel. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.